Where's that chicken? Can you put it? Oh, he's getting it with his paw. He got it with his claw. Here's one more piece of chicken. Is he gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Can you help him get it? Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Don't pull his ear though. Just gently. He'll find it. He'll find it.
Paw.
Did you find his paw?
Yeah.
Okay.
Paw.
He wants that last piece of chicken. Can you put it under his nose? There it is. There's that last piece of chicken right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. He ate it.
Fish.
Yeah, picture.